Let's turn now to Calamity over in Roosevelt City. Calamity, are you with us?
Yes, I am.
So I have to ask, is that really your name or is that an alias for tonight's show?
It's really my name, but it's spelled with a K instead of a C.
Okay, wonderful.
love it.
We love it, and
Yes.
it's an appropriate name for tonight's show, but hopefully not in your case specifically. Go right ahead with your question.
Okay, my question: I've been calling around trying to find a lawyer to help me with my case because this particular insurance company has been taking money from my account from over a year, paying for someone else's insurance policy. And I talked to them and everything. They won't give me no information or anything like that. I did have a policy with this company, but my policy was canceled in April the 8th of 2022. And so it was the latter part before 2023, they started taking money out of my account. And I've been paying for that policy all the way up until August when I found out about it.
Wow.
That it really was not my policy.
Have either of you ever heard of?
I have, Calamity, I have been doing this a long time, and I have never heard of that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Your advice for that situation?
You know, what I would say is if you've contacted them, this insurance company directly, and alerted them of the issue, and they are for some reason still not willing to fix the problem, and you have confirmed that you have an active policy with another insurance company, so you're not going to be out of coverage, I would contact, if this is getting charged to like a debit card or a credit card or your bank, I would contact them and have them stop payment. So that no future payments are going to go forward. And then, you know, maybe that'll kind of open the door to them trying to figure out what's been going on. But I would definitely stop future payments from coming out that way. That's usually the easiest way to stop those payments, is contacting your bank, debit, or credit card company.
And so I'm thinking about what she's paid,
right,
and getting refunded on that. What would be your advice moving forward? Might that turn into a legal situation?
It could. It could. And so it sounds like you've been reaching out to some lawyers. I would encourage you to still reach out to some lawyers and really try and find out what's been going on, and it might help if you might already have the total calculated somewhere, but I would get that total calculated because that's a significant amount of money.
And I would hate to see Calamity have to pay an attorney's fee on this because this is money right out of her pocket. Depending on how much it is, she could probably file something. Is small claims up to 10,000 now,
Yes.
Callie? And district court is 20? Do I remember that right?
20 or 25.
Yeah, we don't work in those two courts much, but there are two courts that you can file your own case in.
Okay.
And very relaxed rules. The judges really try to help you present your case, and she might be able to do that.
Great advice.
And get her money back.
Well, Calamity, thank you so much for calling in just to ask us, and hopefully that's great advice from you both to help you moving forward. We wish you all the best. That is certainly unique, but certainly hope that you get some resolution to that soon. Thank you.